So I do want to go in and let them know that I'm the Beyonce of the office. I'm the bad bitch in the building now. It is me. Look at me, look at me. I'm captain now. Hey guys, it's Andrea here. Welcome and welcome back to my channel, aka my internet home.
Alright, they asking for the queen. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage. Look back while I twerk. No comparison.
So on this channel we do a plethora of things like hair reviews, try on hauls, and recommendations. So for today's video I'm going to be giving you my Sephora VIB recommendations. But before we get into that video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you are notified every single time I post, because I am on my way to 3K and I want you guys with me every step of the way. Now that that's all done, let's get right into the video. Oh, it feels like so long since I've sat in front of the camera like here and brought you a video that was not hair related. I'm so excited to bring you this video. So we are talking about Sephora's VIB sale. Give me a second, let me pull it up. So Sephora is hosting their VIB sale. They're also calling it the holiday sales event. It is running through November 5th through 15th. So if you are a Rouge member, which means you spend the most money at Sephora, you get 20% off and your sale starts on the 5th and it ends on the 15th. If you are a VIB member, that starts on the 9th until the 15th and you get 15% off. And if you are just a beauty insider, you get 10% off from the 11th of November to the 15th of November. This is a great opportunity to get some stuff from Sephora because Sephora only has a sale maybe like 2 times out of the year. This is a great time to stock up on things that you love at Sephora, or if you just, you know, want to spend a little extra because you got a little extra more to spend since they're giving you a discount. So I am super excited. I have a few things in my Sephora cart, and obviously all the things in my cart are not going to be all the things that I'm going to buy from Sephora because that's going to cost me a lot of money. So I have, let's see, I have 9 things in my cart, and the 9 things in my cart would run me $495 before tax. So obviously I'm not getting everything in my cart because me spending $500 on things at Sephora is kind of outlandish. The first thing that I have on my list is the Fenty Skin Hydra Visor Invisible Moisturizing Broad Spectrum. It's the Fenty Beauty Sunscreen. That's the first thing I have on my list, and that retails for about $35. So I have already bought the Fenty Skin like trio, and I really do like the sunscreen and the facial cleanser. I didn't really care for the fat water. I still have a lot of the fat water, but I have ran out of the facial cleanser and the sunscreen, and I absolutely love the way the sunscreen smells. It gives my skin like this glowing look. It just makes my skin look really, really healthy, and it's SPF 30, so it helps protect my skin from any damage that the sun might cause. So I definitely want to pick that back up. But if I don't pick that up in like the full size, I'm perfectly fine with getting it in maybe like the travel size, especially since it's winter and the sun's not going to be out as much. It's going to be way more overcasting than it was during the summer, but still I want to keep my skin protected, so I might end up picking that up in the travel size instead of like the full version. The second thing that I have on my list, I have a lot of things from Fenty Beauty / Skin on my list, so you know, don't mind me. But the second thing I have on my list, so it is the Fenty Skin Butter Dropped Whipped Oil Hydrating Body Cream. Guys, let me tell you about this. So I bought this, I bought that body butter when it first dropped. Oh my god, guys, oh my god. One, it is extremely hydrating. Like, it is so hydrating, and I have like dry skin, so I need something that's very moisturizing and very hydrating, especially in the winter time, because my skin is going to be dry. I can guarantee 2 things in life, okay? I can guarantee I'm gonna eat something and my skin will probably be dry. I absolutely love that body butter when it first dropped, and it smells so good. It smells like the sunscreen. So I don't know if you guys have smelled either the sunscreen or the body butter, but they both smell so good. Like, I see how Rihanna is the best smelling woman in the earth, like, because your face smells like that, and your body smells like that, and you wear perfume, and your hair is freshly done. Like, so I would probably pick that up. There's not like a travel size version of that, not that I'm aware of. So that is for $39, and it is 6.7 fluid ounces, which is rather big. Well, it's not rather big, but it's like a healthy amount. So I would absolutely, that is definitely something I'm picking up without a doubt. Next thing on my list to pick up is the 7 Virtues Vanilla Woods perfume set. So most of the things that I have in my cart are things that I already own and I know that I absolutely love, and I would love to get my hands on it again. 7 Virtues Vanilla Woods is definitely one of them. I definitely love Vanilla Woods. So I opted for, I'm not gonna say I opted for, but I put in my cart the perfume set, which is like the actual bottle and like the roller ball. So the bottle itself probably was like $70 or $80, and I'm not quite sure how much the roller ball was. It might have been like $20, $30, but both of it together is $95. I probably will not get both, but I really want to, because I would love to be able to like have the roller ball in my purse so I can like touch up throughout the day, because sometimes perfume does fade. This one not really that much, but I would like to touch up throughout the day without actually carrying the whole entire perfume bottle. I don't know guys, $95, but then I get 10% off, right? No, I get 15% off, right? Yeah, $95 and 15% off. Let me know down in the comments if you think I should do it. I don't know if I should yet. Let me know down in the comments, but definitely smells really great. I actually featured that perfume in my perfume collection, so I will leave that up in the cards and down in the description box, so make sure you guys check that out. But let me know if you guys think I should actually buy the perfume set for $95. I know I shouldn't, but I want to so bad. Ugh. So the next thing on my list is the NARS Mini Radiant Creamy Concealer. So I opted for the mini because this would be my first time trying any NARS concealer. I've never tried a NARS concealer before, but I heard that it was really good, and I am looking for a new concealer because the one that I have is kind of done. Like, I need to re-up on my makeup. This whole summer / pandemic, I didn't really wear that much makeup. I only wore makeup to like film videos, and if I was going out, like if I was outside for real. But besides that, if I was at home, if I was just chilling, I was not wearing any makeup besides my eyebrows. So I'm not quite sure when this video is going up, but by the time you watch this video, I might have already started my new job. So I do want to go in and let them know that I am the Beyonce of the office. I'm the bad bitch in the building now. It is me. Look at me. I'm captain now. So I'm probably gonna go in with, you know, beat face for like the first week, and then after that, you know, just so that they know. Just so they know I'm not playing with you. I could play, but I don't. So I was thinking about picking that up as well, and I opted for the mini because it was only $13, so that is probably something I will be picking up. I decided to go for the color Caramel. Now, I've never really tried it, so maybe if I go into Sephora like in person, I might go ahead and try it against my skin, because I'm not really sure what the color Caramel looks like. Looks like Caramel would be a good concealer for me. So the next thing on my list is the Fenty Skin Total Cleanser Makeup Removing Cleanser. Like I told you guys before, I have already tried this cleanser and I absolutely love it. It's really one of my favorite cleansers, and I really just ran out. I'm literally squeezing the life out of this bottle just to get the rest of it out, because I love it. I feel like it moisturizes my skin while cleansing it. Like, it's not stripping away the natural oils that I need in my skin so that my skin's not overly dried and then producing more oil. I feel like it's giving enough moisture so that my skin maintains like its like normal like dryness or whatever, like so that my face isn't overly oily. Like, it's just the normal amount of oils I'm supposed to have, while still like breaking up my makeup, while still like getting the knit and grit out of my skin, while like cleaning out the dirt and the makeup and all that gritty stuff that just be in your skin after like a long day. I feel like it does a really good job of like cleaning your skin out, like cleansing your skin. So I'm gonna pick that up, and that's for $25. Again, I might pick it up in the travel size because Rihanna does offer a travel size, but you know, who knows what I'm really gonna pick up. So, but that's definitely on my list. So the next thing I have on my list is the Forever Mood mini candle gift set in Send Moods. So this is Jackie Ima's candle collection. I have yet to smell any of the candles. I have not been in Sephora personally in a very long time, so I did not get to like sniff them or even look at them or anything like that. But it is a gift set, so you get about, I think it's 4 candles. So you get 4 candles. So the scents are We're Not Linking, Grown Folks Business, Skinny Dipped, and Hey Big Head. So I think those are all really cute, catchy, little, you know, witty names for these candles. And I heard these candles smell amazing. So for $48, I could just get 4 candles. I'm not really sure how much each candle is individually, like a big candle. These are all like single wick, like small candles. But 4 for $48, it doesn't seem that bad. So I might end up getting that instead of like buying a bunch of candles from Bath and Body Works. I might just, you know, support a black-owned business, Jackie Aina, and you know, a fellow YouTuber or whatever, and get these candles because I heard that they smell amazing. So I'm trying to set the mood with Send Moods, okay? Come on. If you guys have ever tried Jackie Aina's candles, let me know down in the comments. Let me know what you think and what your favorite scents are, just so you know we could talk about it by the time I actually do purchase some candles. So the next thing in my cart is Le Mer Crème de Mer Moisturizer. It's another body cream, and it's from Le Mer. I've heard really good things about this body cream. Like, I heard it's super hydrating and it smells amazing and it's like amazing for your skin. The only problem is that it's $190. Why did I even bother to put that in my cart? I'm not paying $190 for one cream, and it's only 1 fluid ounce. Obviously, I'm more likely to get the Fenty Skin Body Butter instead of this Le Mer for $190. I'm just gonna take that one out of my cart because I'm not even gonna kid myself. That was just rude. So I took that one out of my cart because I know I'm not gonna get that one. And then the last thing on my list is the Bobbi Brown Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation with SPF 15. That is my absolute favorite foundation, and I have ran out of it, and I am so sad. Like, I did my makeup today with a different foundation, and you know, she's cute. She's just not Bobbi Brown. Like, she's just not neutral golden the way I need to be neutral golden. Like, you know, that Bobbi Brown foundation is my go-to. I love it so much. It costs $50, so it is on the expensive side. But remember, I'm also gonna get 15% off. So I'm probably going to pick that up. I'm probably going to pick up this weightless foundation because it's so good. I love the way it makes my skin look. I love the way it feels on my skin. Like, it's a matte foundation, but it does not dry my face out. It feels very comfortable and soft on my face. I just really, really love that foundation. And honestly, I don't think I could ever wear another foundation the way I wear Bobbi Brown. Like, that's the one that I just finished is my 2nd or 3rd bottle of it. So I'm invested, and I'm probably going to keep investing in this Bobbi Brown foundation until I find something else that I like equally just as much. The foundation I'm wearing today is not bad at all, but it's just not giving me Bobbi, you know? I don't know what it is. There's a little bit of magic in that bottle. Not really sure what it is, but there is a little bit of magic in that bottle. I also have my NARS birthday gift in my cart, but that's for free, and I'm just gonna like pick that up with everything together if they let me, because my birthday was in August. I just never got my gift, so I don't know if they're gonna allow me to, because I think they can check if I've... Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god, what is that? Sorry, there was a big old fly at my window. Yeah, but I think Sephora can check if I did pick up my birthday gift, and if they're nice enough, they'll let me pick it up. But those are the things that I had in my Sephora cart for the upcoming VIB sale. Let me know down in the comments if you plan on shopping this VIB sale and what you plan on buying. So that is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure you give me a big old thumbs up to let YouTube know that you like this video, and also to let me know that you like this video so I can bring you more videos like this. If you didn't get to at the beginning of the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you are notified every single time I post, because I am on my way to 3K and I want you guys with me every step of the way. I love you all so much, and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye.
Alright, they asking for the queen. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage. Look back while I twerk. No comparison. I'm a